Morning, Steve Freed with the Morning Grain Comms. Hope everybody had a safe and nice weekend. As far as the grain market is concerned, their prices are lower. Continue to see the higher dollar, lower stocks, lower metals, and the lower soft markets, all concerned about higher inflation, higher interest rates, and global markets going into the recession. China economy is also continues to be weak. UK British pound is sharply lower after some tax cuts, and the markets in general are going to safe haven of a higher U.S. dollar. The soybean market back close to $14 from the $15 high. The market's concerned about exports with the cheaper South American prices and the lower China demand. I think that they're also concerned if exports are lower, then the soybean carryout could be closer to 340 than USDA's 200. On the corn market, again, worries about exports. Black Sea, Ukraine corn, South American corn is cheaper than U.S. And so, again, concerned that our exports could be lower with a carryout closer to 1,500 than the recent USDA number. The wheat market, I think it's all about the Black Sea, Russia coming up with policy of the referendums of the Russian-controlled Ukraine territory, the president of Russia talking about using nukes if necessary. We also note in China that their Communist Party looks like they're going to re-elect President Xi. There was some rumors over the weekend about some ousting of him, a military coup, but none of them were confirmed, obviously. The wheat market also looking at the Russian record wheat crop, but can they get that wheat out? Their prices are lower than all other origins, and might be a little bit offset by the fact that the Southern Plains continues to be dry and warm. The 2-week forecast from the Midwest is dry and warm, which should help harvest. We've seen a few bean fields around us that have been harvested. Corn doesn't look like it's quite ready yet, but we'll just kind of see what the USDA ratings are. And then later this week, we've got the September 1 stocks report, which will be critical for corn and beans, see what the numbers are, given the fact that basis remains strong and suggests that the actual bushels may be less than the average trade guess. So commodities lower, dollar higher, stocks lower, recession, inflation, war in Ukraine, all these things add up to lower commodity prices. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.